Nothing, Pooh-Bear, nothing.
You are so sad, Ian.
Sad? I'm not. It's my birthday, the happiest day of the year.
Your birthday?
Yes, look at the birthday cake and sweets and candles.
Present, birthday cake. Where? I can see nothing.
Next the cake, I joke, haha.
Many happy returns of the day, Ian.
I am so unhappy. No cake, no presents, no friends.
Hello, Piglet. Hello, Winnie. You know, Ian has a birthday today. He is so sad. Let's give him a present. Fine, but what's the present? I don't know. Think, think, think. Think, think, think. Oh, I have a good idea. I have a very good jar of honey. I bring it. Can I give it too from you and me? No, this is not a good idea. All right, I give him a balloon. Very good. Let's meet in 5 minutes. Okay. Happy birthday, Ian. Many happy returns of the day.
Meaning me? My birthday?
Yes, I have a present for you.
A present for me?
Yes, this is beautiful puss.
And I have a present for you. Only the balloon when I fell. My balloon, my birthday balloon?
Yes, here it is.
This is my present, my balloon.
Yes, I am sorry.
Thank you, Piglet. What color was it?
Red.
Red is my favorite color.
Many happy returns of the day, Ian.
Thank you. I'll put it in the pot. I am very glad. Thank you.